Eddie, Jude, hi. Welcome to Paris. Can I ask you what you think Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts fans will get from this film?
Oh, that's a question, Edith. Joy. Joy. Hopefully a lot of joy. No, what I love about this film is, from Newt's point of view, it's new creatures.
And they're right there.
There are Chinese, extraordinary new Chinese creatures called the Zoo. There are baby Nifflers. The breakout star of the first film was the Niffler, and he has had some babies. And well, it's just, for me, it's got this extraordinary kind of thriller quality, but it's also got joy and romance and comedy.
I think what's exciting is having set up this idea of the Wizarding World in the 20s and visiting different countries. In this one, it links up with familiar characters and places from the Potter film and book series. And so the two worlds are suddenly linking, and I think for fans, it's going to be very exciting.
Thank you. Jude, thank you so much. Also with us tonight, you guys, two men who have truly brought the Wizarding world to life for all of us around the world. The producer, David Heyman, and the director, David Yates. Come on up, guys. Join me, come on up. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much. Such an incredible cast that you've been able to all bring together with us tonight. Can you tell us a bit more about working together to bring the magic of this movie really to life?
We try, even though this is a huge movie that's effectively seen all over the world and people from different cultures embrace this storytelling.
Oh my God,
we try and create a very family atmosphere in these movies. So it's almost like making an independent film. And these guys are all brilliant. They're not just gifted artists, but we purposefully also cast very nice people because we knew we were going to spend a very long time with them. And so we made sure we got good people we liked and enjoyed spending time with, who were also extremely talented.
Oh, sweet. David?
Well, it also helps having the soft-spoken, willful, but soft-spoken and incredibly kind and generous director in David Yates.
They all agree.
And of course, you know, Joe's work. Joe's work inspires us all and really does unite us in a very clear, profound way. So we all feel really devoted to her and to the work that to the words she has given us. And that again brings us all together. And as David said, it's like a family.
Funny you should say that, because let's be honest, none of us would be stood here on this stage tonight if it wasn't for this extraordinary woman's creative vision. Please can you put your hands together for the exceptional J.K. Rowling. There she is. What was the inspiration to set the film in Paris? Why did you want to set the film in Paris?
Bonsoir. Je vais l'essayer en français. Alors, comme certains d'entre vous le savez peut-être déjà, j'ai passé un an à Paris quand j'étais étudiante, et cela reste un de mes endroits préférés au monde. Et il faut dire aussi que j'adore les fans français de Harry Potter. Ils ont été merveilleux pour moi au fil des années. Et finalement, nous espérons que vous appréciez le film.
I just wanted to say to us that she spent a year here as a student in Paris. Has always been such an incredible and moving place for her. Thank you so much for that. It's so beautiful, especially speaking in French. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the phenomenal cast and crew from Fantastic Beasts: The Crimes of Grindelwald.
Everybody go this way for a big picture.
There we go.
There you go.
There we go. I'll take the microphone. Sorry, Joe. Thank you. Thank you. I can hold.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast and crew of Fantastic Beasts: The Crimes of Grindelwald. On vous souhaite tous une excellente soirée à tous les fans français qui sont venus de partout dans la France. On vous souhaite une excellente soirée et merci beaucoup à vous tous d'avoir passé ce moment avec nous. Thank you so much to all of you for turning out for this great world premiere.
Now I have one job left for our cast and crew, if that's okay. If you guys wouldn't mind turning around this way and facing the cinema, because we are going to do a countdown to start your film, if that's okay.
Oh my God.
So if I can have the countdown on the screen, please. And then I want you all, everybody here as well, to do a countdown from 5. You ready? Here we go.